This is just a small selection of what's to come in the Ingleby Arncliffe Classic Car Show Part 2. So why not join us as we take a look around to see what's on view. Nice MGB GT, and it was one of the first with it being a 66 on a D. I think that's when they brought them out, I think 66, if memory serves me right. So of course it would have had, originally would have had proper leather interior with piping on it. A 1962 Chrysler Valiant, built in Australia, and that's why it's right-hand drive. Nice Mark II Jaguar. Oh, Saab 96. Yes. I can't say they ever really appealed to me very much, but when the 99 came out, to me that was the game changer. Nice Corvette.
Did you see the Valiant?
I did, from Australia. Yeah. Think of the Corvette, nice shine to it.
Yeah. No, I think I'll leave those few for the when I get down there.
Yeah.
It's about the last thing we do.
Yes, I know. Gosh, you know, we get the end of the day.
What is it?
It's a Corvette.
Really good weather most years, but this year, we were up on one of the banks watching. And oh my God, the wind nearly blew you over. And it was cold, and I had to go and put a jacket on. So then we went back to the car.
A Lotus Esprit, a Series 1 of course, as per the Spy Who Loved Me. I think that's what most people associate it with. Styled by Bertone, wasn't it? I don't know whether you can see the interior, but the interior's a nice green and red plaid. Very nice, very well done. Styled by Giugiaro, not Bertone. Talking rubbish. Here's another Bonnie MGB GT, and this has got the proper interior on it, the piped interior. It's a lovely car, is this one. I've seen this, I think, at Hornsby Hall. Nice wire wheels on it. So it's a 1968. No, it's a very nice car, is that? I quite like that. A quick shout out to Mike and Maya at Old Cars New Van. And Mike and Maya also own a P6 in Armand, and this is a lovely example, this. And it's a local car. I think I used to see it running around as a kid. I think it's a colour that suits it well. That and Lunar Grey. You see the old Zybart sticker in the back window, the form of rust proofing in the 70s. That is very nice, is that? beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow! That's fantastic.
He doesn't do anything to it himself.
So yeah, as I said to you, when I first saw it, I thought, this is a car I used to see as a kid.
It would have been, yeah, definitely, definitely. Yeah.
Particularly as you've told me the history of it.
Yeah, you've got like every little bit of space.
Lovely little Anglia van. That's a bonny thing, isn't it? Of course, it's called the Thames, with it being the van version, but it's an Anglia. Hillman Super Minx. Another Cobra replica. TVR, it's bonny. Nice Boxster. A nice 635 CSI, the Highline version of it. Dolphin Grey. Lovely cars. I always like these. And I quite like them with the bigger bumpers. I think I like them more than I do with the chrome, actually. Yep, 635 CSI, beautiful machines. Oh, let's go and have a look inside. Lovely, sheer luxury. Oh, a nice little Beetle. Nice, is that? Z3.
Well, we've got to get the dogs and we've got to get chained.
3, of course. Oh, a couple of Peugeot 309s. GTI.
But it depends.
2 GTIs. Oh, another XGS. And it's like mine. It's got the it's the Mark 1.5, if you like, with the. It's not got the painted bums. It's still got the chrome. But to be honest, I like it with the chrome. I think they look a bit smarter. Now it doesn't say V12, so I suspect is it the 4 litre? Because otherwise you would have thought it would have had the V12 badge on it. Nice little minivan. Tahiti blue. '67 E-Type. They're non-standard seats, I'm sure. It's 4.2. Escort. 5,000 Traveller. Looks nice.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's like that.
Yes.
Yeah, that one's just going to
Say the gap seat for me.
Of course, the wood on these is structural, whereas on the little mini Travellers it's just cosmetic. Obviously the wood is ash. Very nice. Morris Cowley. What a lovely little A40. It's a Mark 1 as well. Oh, let's have a look under the bonnet.
And I put that rocker gear on and set it. Do you know? It's quieter.
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
That's beautiful, is that?
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
So what Gav said, tell me that.
What?
I said that. Yes. They're a slack 12.
Yes, yeah, man.
You cannot mind it.
Morris 8. Another A40. We've been spoilt this morning with all the A40s. Another nice Mercedes. I must say this is the best show that I've been to for the grass. It's nice and soft to walk on and it's nicely manicured. It's actually the Ingleby Arncliffe's cricket club, so we're being honoured with it. Nice to walk on, I must say. It's got a bit of give in it. Here we are, another Morris 8. Sunshine roof.
And the inside the single. On the back is a coloured curtain.
On the back
On the sides.
Nice Escort Mexico, that's upon the thing in Daytona yellow.
It's nice to see one not overgrown.